I opened Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I created this symbol. So this is a bag with the leftward arrow above. So this is a bag with leftward arrow above. So how to create this symbol using keyboard shortcut is shown in this video. For doing this, you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 128281. So for creating this symbol, you must go to your computer keyboard, and if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see Alt key on the right or left side of the space bar. You must press this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. After that, you must type here 128281. Then you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been alright. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.